At the beginning of each year, you'll need to set up your courses in Canvas. Here is how to do that. Start by going to Courses and click View All. You're going to have a course called WHS for Work Habits. Put a star next to that course. The next thing you're going to need to do is to change the name of the WHS course. Click on the WHS course and go to Settings down at the bottom left. For the course name, you'll need to do the following. For K2 teachers, record it this way, with your name and the current year. For 3-5 teachers, you'll want to name the Work Habits course with your name and the current year, but later you're going to need to go into each course for reading, math, and you're going to need to add the following. Put the subject area, then your name, then the year. Special area teachers, you'll need the special area that you are teaching, your name, and the year. And special education should label it like this. If you've done that, scroll to the bottom and click Update Course Details. For K2 teachers, you only need to do this step for your Work Habits course. For 3-5 teachers, you'll need to do this for each course listed. So you would go to Courses, View All, and then click on your math and do that and continue with each subject area. But your Work Habits course will be named with just your name and the year. The next step is for K2 teachers and 3-5 teachers. You're going to need to get your template. So start out by going to Courses, View All, and click on your Work Habits course, which is now labeled with your name. From there, go to Commons up at the top. Scroll down a little bit and go to Shared With and choose Southwest Allen. And if there is a lot there, you can click and type in K2 template. And for K2 teachers, this is what you will need to do. Select it and click Import into this course. For 3-5 teachers, you will select a different one. Yours is going to be titled SACS 3-5 Daily Agenda. You can type that in the search or just scroll down till you get it. You would do the same. Click and click Import into this course. For 3-5 teachers, that page will be on your home page under Pages. For K2 teachers, it will be on your home page, but also in Pages. For 3-5 teachers, you'll want to make note of this because that daily agenda can be found and copied by going to the Pages link. Now that you've set up your home page for K2 and added the assignment weekly agenda for 3-5, the next step is to remove your grade from information from Canvas. This is important because the grade that Canvas keeps will be different from your overall grade for your classroom, and you don't want parents to get confused. Now, both 3-5 and K2 teachers need to do this for each section. Start by going to your work habits, click, then go to settings at the bottom, scroll all the way down and go to more options, and then you will want to select hide totals in student grade summary and hide grade distribution from graphs from students. It's also here that you can select other options. Currently, I have several things selected, but that does not mean that you will want that for your class. Once you have done this, click Update, then go back to Courses, and then repeat for Math, Reading, Social Studies, and Science. So again, you just click, go to Settings, go all the way down, go to More Options, and make sure that you have selected Hide Totals and Hide Grades. Go back up to your main course and select your main page, which should now be your name and year. So you should have clicked Settings, and then come over to the right and click Edit Settings. And typically, these 3 fields will be fields that you can type in. Keep your full name as your full name, and just change the middle one, your display name, to your teacher name, Mr. or Mrs., and your last name. And then click Update Settings. You can also click here to change your profile picture. Finally, you can go to Notifications and change the way and the times that people contact you or that you are notified by Canvas. One last point that I think I glossed over, and that's under Courses. Here you can see I only have 3 things listed. Whatever you star will show up underneath your courses. For K2 teachers, you really only want to star your main course. For 3-5 teachers, you're going to want to star each of your subject areas as well. If you create any new courses, let's say a course to collaborate with your team, then you can star that as well.